Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving the files are yours and securing the required keys. Gather your private key, recovery code, or the exact passphrase. Do this now. Once done, make sure you know the encryption type and where the encrypted container lives: local disk, external drive, or cloud. If a hardware token or smart card is needed, have it connected. You need these items before any decryption attempt. Without them, legal recovery or provider help is the only route. Now use the official, documented tools for the encryption type. You open the vendor utility, BitLocker Manager, File Vault Recovery Assistant, or VeraCrypt and supply the exact key or recovery code. Mount the volume read-only first to inspect content without risking modification. If the tool supports command line options, use them for precise control. If you see files listed, export or copy them to a safe, unencrypted location. If errors appear, capture error text before retrying and stop to avoid corruption. Finish by copying decrypted files to a verified backup and confirming integrity. Open a few files, compare checksums, and confirm timestamps. Once satisfied, rotate any compromised passwords and store keys in a secure password manager or hardware token. If the key or recovery code does not work, do not attempt brute force. Instead, contact the service provider or your system administrator with proof of ownership. If legal recovery is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.